everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to this channel, do subscribe. It's me Hetal and you're watching all Hetal Neelam Samant's vlog. So today I am vlogging. As you may know that it's a question and answer series first session. So of course many of you had poured so much of love on the Instagram stories I had put on, where I asked you to ask me questions. Earlier I had did it but on Instagram stories, and there I was not accepting personal questions as such, but in this video I am pushing myself and get to know me more. So let's start. But before that, I have an exciting announcement to do. As it's the month of August, so in this month, I'm going to post 8 videos on my channel. This is going to be the first. More 7 are going to come. So trust me, it's going to be amazing. Something that I had never done before. I'm going to do such things in that vlog. So stay tuned for that. Do subscribe, like, share, and put on the notification so you won't miss any of the video. So let's start with the question and answer, and I'm of course going to do my makeup, but I'm not a pro, so I'm not going to tell any products, or you don't have to follow my steps. I'm just a beginner in makeup and I'm doing my makeup for another shoot I have to do for my reels. As someone has asked me is, do you have any pets? So my answer will be no. I don't have any pets as of now, and I think I won't get any pets. Not I'm not thinking of getting any pets as soon, because as growing up as a child, my favorite animal was always cow. कारण आपल्या गावी नेहमी ती गाय असते जी आपण आपल्या सोबत असते. सो ॲज ऑफ माय मेमरीज आय हॅव दॅट मेमरी इन माय माइंड वेअर आय हॅव played a lot with my cow at my village. So I don't like any other animal as much as I love cows. So practically I can't keep a cow in my flat. So no, I don't have any pets and I don't think I will have any pets. So let's move further. The second question is, can you share any tips for beginner? So I assume this is a question regarding content creation. So first of all, I am a beginner, so I don't know much about this. But as of now, I just want to give you 2 tips. First, to be real as you are, and just don't run around the collaboration. Collaboration will run around you once you have started creating content. Like, put as much efforts as you can in a video, and that video has to be quality wise good, not quantity wise. If you put 4 videos but 4 videos have same copied content or anything as that, the video uh, will reach a higher audience but not the perfect audience. As you can see on my Insta, my reach is too low as of now. I don't know why, but collaboration offers are too many towards me. So touch wood for that. But I think when you create something which has a lot of efforts, collaboration comes towards you. And the second most important thing is, you don't have to invest a lot in gadgets. Like most people I had seen, everyone has an iPhone or everyone has some proper gadgets like proper camera and everything. Even I had, like, I have that thing to invest in such gadgets, but after certain period, at starting you don't have to invest in such things. Like just a phone, Android phone, which has a good camera quality and a ring light with a tripod is sufficient. Okay, so these are my 2 tips, and if you want to know much, you can always DM me in the Instagram. I'm there for you. So let's move ahead. What are your future goals about your channel? Okay, I have to grow bigger and better, and I have to get as many collabs, as many review I can give. I have to give it to my audience. As of now, I had done not as such things for my audience. So in future, I have, once I get that kind of audience which are interested in what content I make, whether it is food, travel, lifestyle, they enjoy everything. Once they start enjoying everything, my goal will obviously be to give them more as I can. Like the restaurant reviews as of now are the most liked content on my Instagram and also on my YouTube. I had seen like the shorts which I had posted about restaurants of Vasai Virar goes viral, not viral, but yeah, gets maximum views. So yes, going to think of my audience and get better day by day. And if someone is watching and you have a restaurant or you are a owner of some villa, DM me, we can collaborate. Okay, so let's move on. Your top three YouTube creators. So my most favorite person is Mridul Sharma, of course. You may know, but those who don't know, Mridul Sharma is a content creator on YouTube, and you may check she does everything so gracefully. So of course her. And the second one is Gopali Tiwari. I also like the brown daughter, her sister. But of course the OG one is Gopali Tiwari. So I love her. She's real. Like she does whatever she does, it's her. Like I think as a person, when you meet her, she's the same behind the camera or in front of the camera. So I like love her personality. Then there are a few such as the quirky Miss Aditi, then the sinful foodie. Of course, I love them as well. So let's move on to the fourth question. What keeps you motivated to keep creating content? Okay, so this one is a good question. Creating content gives you more opportunities. Like the content creation is a platform where जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, such kind of thing. Because whenever you give a good content, like obvious if there is a product shoot, the product company needs a demo from me first, or they will ask me to give videos in which I had mentions other products. By that basis they will collaborate with me. Okay, so this is the most important motivation I get whenever I go to a restaurant. Even with my family, I have to pay my own bills, then there too I do videos for it. Of course वो लोग मुझे फ्री का खाना नहीं दे रहे, ना मुझे पैसे मिल रहे, but I do it for myself, not for them maybe, but for myself. Cause क्या होता है, whenever you make such videos and put on your Instagram or your YouTube, the restaurant owners look at it. Not the restaurant owner, maybe the Instagram manager of that particular restaurant chain look at the videos and message you personally that they are interested in collaborating with you. So this is the main motivation. And second most, of course, the people around me. Like my mom is my most important person in my life, who has always taught me to achieve things as much as I can. She has never stopped me in anything. Like she is the constant cheerleader from my childhood towards now. And in this platform as well, I don't know makeup, I don't know how to dress properly. I am like a clumsy couch potato girl who just love to sit at her home and watch TV or something on a phone. But my mom is the one who is up to the trends. Like she loves what's going in trend. She wears clothes as per the trend, and of course she buys for me too. Or sometimes I just borrow from her wardrobe. Like mostly कंटेंट क्रिएटिंग करने के टाइम पे मेरे कपड़े नहीं रहते, मेरी मम्मी के रहते हैं. So of course she is the most important thing which keeps me motivated, and she pushes me to go and just do such things. Like her motivation has made me a person I am today. So sometimes you guys as well, like कभी कभी मैसेज आते हैं, DM आते हैं, या फिर कमेंट्स आते हैं कि you did a nice work or the editing was good, yeah, or else you can do it, like, or someone message me personally, can you share how you had edited such videos? That too, that's kept motivating us too. Like, it's not always ki you have to appreciate us, but this is also a kind of appreciation that you love the edited video and you want me to share my tips with you. So that's an achievement in myself, I guess. So yeah, that's it. So next question is, which content do you enjoy the most to shoot? Oh, that's a easy one, I must say, as I had started my content creation journey with eating, of course. So I love the content which has food in it. So probably I had started my content creation journey uh, like trying local food and street food and rating that, reviewing that. So of course that was my niche at first, but after that I had started making travel videos and lifestyle videos as well. So of course I enjoy that too, but the most important and the most loved content of mine is always the one where I am eating. What app do you use to edit your videos? Okay, so the most important app is VN app. I had always told many of you, इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत जनों ने डीएम कर रखा है that which app you use while editing your videos. So I had shared VN app, but VN app is not free. स्टार्टिंग में इट्स फ्री बट आफ्टर दैट इट्स नॉट फ्री. तो अभी मुझे भी देखना है कोई और ऐप होगा तो. सो प्लीज मेंशन इफ एनीवन नोज विच ऐप यू यूज और एनीवन नोज विच ऐप इज यूजफुल इन क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट, यू कैन शेयर इट टू मी. देन द सेकेंड वन इज इन शॉर्ट. इन शॉर्ट मैं पहले बहुत यूज करती थी बट अब ऑफकोर्स आई डोंट यूज इट एट लॉट. एंड द सेकेंड वन इज कैनवा. Canva is good for making thumbnails or any posts. Canva is good for that, so I use Canva for that. And sometimes Ravi, you don't have anything to like post. uh, Canva has templates made, which you can just put your photos in it or the short videos in that and just randomly post. So yes, that comes handy as well. So these are the 2 to 3 apps which I use on regular basis. So what is your actual profession? Okay, this one is good. As many people have don't know, I had done BSc in hospitality and tourism. So my actual profession is hospitality industry में ही front office आता है. Under that it comes a HR position, like where you have to of course do some course and everything, but I just got an opportunity and I went to that journey in event management. So now I am working as a HR. So someone has asked me, what's your comforting movie? If you know me personally, I am a big Bollywood person. Like, I love watching movies and I love Bollywood a lot. Hollywood be, but Hollywood less than Bollywood. So my most comforting movie, maybe there are many, but to name a few, some comforting movies are, the first one is, of course, Mehuna. That was my first movie where my parents took me to a theater and show me a movie. So whenever I watch it, it had many memories. So yes, that of course. And the second movie will be Hum Aapke Hai Kaun. Of course, not the ending part though. I just skip it. But of course, Hum Aapke Hai Kaun. It's a legit movie. Then Hum Saath Saath Hai. It's of course a family movie. Then there are many such movies, but to name a few, these are my top three. Like I can just watch them anytime, uh, whenever I am bored or whenever I need to get calm. These are my go-to movies. So let's move forward. What's the book you have read so far? I have tried to read books, many as of now, but I don't know if you can believe, but I am not a book person. I don't like reading books. So many of my family members had tried that I initially start reading books. So one of my family member had also given me a book, like a novel book, which was of a girl who loved books or never loved books, something like that. So it was a story of a girl who at starting period don't love books, but after that she found it interesting and started reading books. But no, it didn't work for me as well. Actually, I love books, but those with a suspense or detective or something with a crime horror stories, I love that book. So I had read one to two detective books earlier, like Sherlock Holmes books and all, and I found it interesting. Then I had also loved Chetan Bhagat's novel book, but at a certain point, I'm not such a romantic genre person. So I, at a point, I loved it, but not that much. So if it's a detective or suspense or thriller, something like that, I would love it to read. But as such, I'm not a book person. So let's read the next question. What hobbies do you have that mostly people don't know? Okay, so everyone has hobbies, and I think everyone must have a hobby. So as a child, I was a good singer. People won't believe, but yes, of course. And I had also done many stage performance as a child. अभी फिलहाल मैंने प्रॉपर रियाज वगैरह कुछ किया नहीं है इतने सालों में. सो ऑफ कोर्स my voice is not that great now, but yeah, as a child I was a good singer. And other than that, don't know what calligraphy is, and every time I go to an interview or I meet someone else and try to explain my hobby, they are like what it is. But calligraphy is a art form, like handwriting art form, which you particularly do as a, you can write with an ink pen, or you can also edit it on the softwares. But I don't know that, I had not yet learned that. But in writing I had 7 levels of, I had like um, properly trained with the 7 levels of calligraphy, and I am a certified calligraphy artist. So when said that, mm, I love calligraphy so much that in summer vacations, mostly whenever I have time, I take calligraphy classes. And I just love that students come to me and they want to learn the skills, as it calms us, and it's something like interesting, like drawing, आर्ट, ये सब आजकल बहुत चलता है. बट कैलीग्राफी इज समथिंग दैट मोस्टली पीपल डोंट नो, बट आई थिंक दे हैव टू नो इट. सो यस, दैट. Then let's move to another video. Let's move to another question. What's your favorite thing to do after a hectic day of creating content? Okay, so creating content is not hectic for me as such, because, of course, creating content makes me feel good. I create those content which I love, like eating, traveling, or my lifestyle content. So it's not boring for me as such. But yeah, whenever it's a product shoot, it get hectic, as mostly things can't go as planned sometimes. So of course that time it get hectic, and for that cook a bowl of ramen, or my, I will eat just the food that my mom made, and it's good, not and nothing it goes after that. But if it's really that hectic, I would in journal also, if some work is not going great as per me. So I just do is I just go to sleep and listen to my favorite playlist. That's it. Song can make me calm anytime. So yeah, I use that technique. So let's move further. What's your guilty pleasure food? Okay, so my guilty pleasure food is of course momos. I love momos, and that has to be my guilty pleasure food. But other than that, anything that has pav, like anything that pairs with pav. Uh, Maybe it's pav bhaji, Mr. Pav, or keema pav, anything kebab pav or anything like that. Cause I, as a child, I had a stomach infection thing, not infection, but my stomach used to get swollen because of pav, like because of maida in general, but pav was the main culprit. So I couldn't eat pav like 3 days in a week. So I have to just keep my balance of that particular food item. But I love anything oily, spicy. I just love spicy food. My mom, of course, she always yells at me that don't eat so spicy food. बट आय लव, जब तक मैं असा झणझणीत मसाला दिसत नाही ना त्या जेवणामध्ये तोपर्यंत मला ते जेवण आवडत नाही. सो ऑफकोर्स दॅट्स माय गिल्टी प्लेजर ॲज वेल. सो लेट्स मूव to next question. The most important question of course मैं भी जब भी starting में content creation के मैंने पहले जब भी content creation किया नहीं था तभी ये question मुझे भी आता था कि how do we collaborate with cafes. Okay, so I had kept this in last, as I don't want it to get distracted with the makeup, doing makeup, so I had kept this in the last. Yes, so do cafes ask you to come and review, or do you buy your own stuff? If yes, then how much do you charge? So as I said, I'm not a professional content creator. As for now, I am just a beginner. So no, I don't charge a whooping amount. I had charged amounts for product shoot or anything like such, but for cafes and restaurant, for now I don't charge anything. I do it on a barter basis. So mostly, as I said in earlier videos as well, that if you are a beginner, you have to step on your own and start creating content by your own side, not for the other side, like not for the restaurants or not for the hotels. You have to do it for yourself. So whether it is a stay video or it is someone is offering you food, you have to like start making content around it. So I just started initially with that, but now of course, as I said, touchwood, I get collabs, like they DM me. So this is that many restaurants has its own chain, so they have a manager for that, which is social media manager, and the social media manager look for the content creators, and whenever he sees that someone is potential for it, or someone does a good job or edit well, he himself approaches. So I have 2 to 3 such social media managers in contact with me who love my content and DM me personally. So of course now I get collabs, but it's a barter one. I don't ask them for money, बट सून आई कैन. जब आप 10K करने के लिए हेल्प करोगे तब मैं खुद से बोल सकती हूँ ना. आई हैव अ फॉलोअर्स फैमिली विथ मी. सो प्लीज जल्दी जल्दी कीजिए, यहाँ भी और वहाँ भी. year 2 I need minimum 500 follow subscribers so I can keep my demands. नहीं तो मुझे बस सब लोग की सुननी पड़ेगी एंड बार्टर में करना पड़ेगा. सो फटाफट मेरे 500 सब्सक्राइबर्स कर दो और 10K फॉलोअर्स कर दो इंस्टाग्राम पे. दैट्स इट. देन आई विल शेयर विथ यू गाइस हाउ इज पेड कोलैब्स डन. ऑफ कोर्स मैंने पेड भी किए हुए हैं, बट आई डू पेड कोलैब्स फॉर प्रोडक्ट शूट, as that's not my niche right now. So if I am doing something apart from my niche, I need a paid one. So I do paid collabs with those like product shoot के लिए, और मैं paid products collabs करती हूँ. बाकी it's just the barter one. So that's it. I hope you liked the question and answer session, and I hope you love my videos. So please tell me in the comment section. You can DM me personally, or जस्ट शो योर लव विथ लाइकिंग माई वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइबिंग. बहुत सारे व्यूज आते हैं बट जितने व्यूज है उतने सब्सक्राइबर्स नहीं हैं. सो प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब एंड आई विल मेंशन माई इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल डाउन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, so you can go and follow me there. I update mostly regularly reels over there, so please check that as well. Bye for now. Let's meet 7 times in this month. Okay, so bye, and please do subscribe.